Hey, I'm Jay. Welcome to my booth. This is a clip from a longer video here on my channel about how to make your own voiceover demo, talking about where you can find music to either put under your demos or, in some cases, use for your clients. Let's get into it. We're going to start hunting for some music to pair with our ads. Where can you find such music? Great question. There are a few wonderful websites for this. The first is the Free Music Archive. It's a great place where a lot of really talented artists will put their music and art up for free, basically. They don't ask for royalties, and there are a few different licensing agreements that some artists ask for. One, the artists don't care if you use the music or not, or if you credit them. They just say, use it if you wanna. The next, some artists will ask for credit, and then there is a third level, which is a little bit more restrictive. So all of that just to say, familiarize yourself with the different types of licensing that the artists are asking for on this site before you use their music. Other places that you can look, Epidemic Sound is my personal weapon of choice. An important caveat, I'm not sponsored by this, but there is a link in the description that will support me and these efforts if you choose to use it. So for whatever that's worth for you. The reason I like Epidemic Sound is it gives you, they have a lot of really lovely artists. One of my favorites is Sarah the Illstrumentalist. Give her a look. She's got a YouTube channel here as well. She's really talented. But it gives you great ways to look at and look for and search for different types of music. So you can see they've broken things down into themes, moods, genres of music. You can also search for a robust library of sound effects if you're, say, doing a character demo. And you can also look for things based off of the BPM of the music. And you can see here that they've sorted everything in really great ways. And so it's a really awesome thing to catalog your music as you go. And other places, there's things like Artlist or Storyblocks, which are more geared towards filmmakers, but they do have music and sound effects licensing agreements there. And then there's Audio, which is another, it's very similar to Epidemic Sound in the way it works. It just has a slightly different pricing structure and different artists featured on them. Another reason why Epidemic Sound and Audio are both really lovely is they have a licensing option where you can pay a subscription and then use it professionally for your clients. So for example, I do the phone systems for a company in Mississippi, and I provide the music for them at a benefit to my client there. So if you want to go that route, that's one thing that you could consider. Now, as we're looking for music, same thing as when we were building our archive of scripts, same deal with music. We've kind of got an idea of the different ads that we're looking to suit music to, so you can go in with a bit of an idea. But I just like to listen for music that I appreciate and like and download any and all that might work. So I'm going to download a bunch of different music and keep it in a folder here for myself. So in my Dropbox, I've got a music folder that has all of this different music that I like and use for my demos, for my YouTube channel here. And what I'm going to do now simply is go through, listen to some stuff, and see what might fit our ad here. I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to continue the how to make your own demo journey here, in the next one, I'll talk about how to process your music so that it can sit underneath your voiceover comfortably and you still sound great over top of it, all using Reaper. Until then, be well. Toodles.